Welcome to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost with me, Charly Leetham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and I'll break them down into bite-sized tips you can use straight away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and Shine, it's your daily dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charly Leetham. Episode number 540. Still on Zoho Mail. It's going to be a long one, I think. Long little mini series within my podcast. We are still looking at calendar. I want to talk about what I think is one of the most amazing functionality that you can have within a calendar system. Maybe it's one of the most amazing. I love it. It's actually, I find it a real productivity booster. And that is the integration of the different meeting systems within the calendar system so that you can create a meeting and set up a call automatically without actually having to go and log in and create the call and get the links and copy the invitations and all of those things. So let's have a look at what I'm talking about and see how it works for us, shall we? Here is my calendar. I am in Zoho Mail, so mail.zoho.com. I'm logged into the account that I have been using for this entire demonstration. It is a Mail Lite account. It doesn't have all of the bells and whistles that comes with Zoho Workspace. Workspace. I can't think what it's called. It is just the mail program. So we've got mail, we've got calendar, we've got to-do, we've got notes, we've got contacts. We are in the calendar functionality of it. And what we're going to look at is setting up the different meeting systems that you can use within your events or within your meeting requests. So I'm just going to pull up one of my meetings here. Yep, I'm just going to create a new meeting actually. I'm going to click on new option, more options. You can do this within that smaller window I showed you. I just want to show you the bigger window so that I can show you more here. You can see it better. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll notice that in our meeting, I'm not going to go and set up the meeting, but you'll notice in the meeting, we've got this option to add a conference. And if I drop that down, there is automatically a integration with Zoho Meeting. I'm going to quickly run through that in 10 seconds. And we've now got Google Meet showing up. So first of all, let's go and have a look at what Zoho Meeting is. It's an integration that comes as standard with Calendar. And I just go and bring up a screen and go to zoho.com/meeting. Now you'll see here it's telling me I can access Zoho Meeting. That's because I'm already logged in, and but I don't want to go and access Zoho Meeting. Really don't want to go into how Zoho Meeting works. All I want to do is show you that you have a free plan. And this is what comes as standard with your email. You get access to this free plan. And if you look at the free plan, it's free forever. You can conduct meetings for up to 60 minutes with 100 participants. So you do have some limitations on it. The free forever plan, here's the difference. You've got unlimited meetings. You've got 100 participants, only 60 minutes. This is the thing that really drives it. You've only got 100 participants. It's like you want to do a meeting with 100 participants, really. 60 minutes in duration. These are the two things that are limited. You've got screen sharing, in-session chat. You can set up your virtual backgrounds. You've got whiteboards, okay? I use Zoho Meeting for everything now because it's integrated with my Zoho account. So I wanted to show you that because it does come as standard. So even if you didn't want to use anything else, you've got this, you're not paying any other money out, and you get 60-minute meetings for 100 people. You will notice though that Google Meeting is also showing up. Now that's showing up because in an episode a little while ago, I authenticated my Google account so that I could share my Google Calendar. I could see my Google Calendar within my calendar. So that's why Google Meet is there. But how do we set all this up? How do we access it? Well, the Zoho Meet comes as standard. You don't have to do anything. But let's go and have a look at what other options we have. So other options within Calendar, I'm just going to click on this settings icon. And right under the General tab, we have integrations, and it shows us what integrations we have available to us. We can integrate with Zoom Meeting, which I'll do in just a moment. WebEx by Cisco. I don't have a WebEx account, so I can't show you that, but you can actually connect your WebEx by Cisco account to your Zoho account and have it sitting there in there. So when you create a meeting, it will automatically create the conferencing link for you. You can integrate with your Teams. We've got that disabled at the moment. I will re-enable it shortly. And that comes because, again, I've authenticated my Microsoft account with my Zoho Calendar, so I could see my Microsoft Calendar, my Outlook calendar. So it automatically gives me this Teams integration, and Zoho Meet has been enabled as default. So I can turn that off. If I turn that off, it'll disappear from the link, from the list of conferences I can offer. How do we do these integrations? Well, I'm going to do Zoom Meeting because most of us have a Zoom account and most of us are used to using Zoom for our appointments, for our meetings. So when you come into the integration screen, click on the configure button. It says schedule meetings effectively, blah, blah, blah. Upon authenticating, you agree with the terms of service and privacy policy. I encourage you to make sure you know what you're signing up for, and understanding that as soon as you click this button and as soon as you authenticate your account, you have agreed to these. So make sure you know what you're signing up to. Click the authenticate button and log into your Zoom account. I think I've got this right. I remembered it. So I put in the details. Going to click sign in. And we just play the waiting music. There we go. Alrighty, so now that I've signed in, it tells me that I'm about to add Zoho Calendar between Zoho Calendar and Zoom. This is Zoom telling me this. It tells me which account, if I'm logged in. So if you've got multiple accounts and you're already logged in and it's picked up that you've logged in and you want to switch accounts, you can do that right here by clicking the switch account button. It tells you what you can access. It gives you what your apps will have access to and can do for you. Make sure you understand all of this. Click the button at the bottom, or tick the box that says allow this app to use my shared access permissions, and click allow. A little bit more waiting. Okay, cool. Now, under my Zoom meeting authentication, you'll see it says that I'm authenticated and it tells me who I'm authenticated as. If I want to revoke those permissions, I just click on that X there and it will delete the integration. You'll also notice that in the top right-hand corner, it has made Zoom meeting enabled. If I go back, under our integration screen, Zoom is enabled, Google Meet is enabled, and what we're going to do is we're going to enable MS Teams as well. Oh, okay, so I don't have a Microsoft Teams account, so it won't enable it for me. So if you have, because I signed in with the free Outlook account, it won't let me enable Microsoft Teams because I don't have that license. If you have a license that allows you to use Teams, you'll be able to integrate it. That's fine. I don't need to actually show you that one. You just need to understand that you can actually use it. Okay, so what does that give us now? Now, if I come in here to my events screen and say add conference, I can choose between Zoho Meeting. I can choose between an audio or a video meeting. I can add a Zoom meeting, and I can add a Google Meet meeting. What that will do, let me just add the Zoom meeting because I haven't set up Zoho Meeting on this account yet. So let's just do a Zoom meeting. Okay. I'm not going to add anything else. That's all we need. We're going to click save. Okay, and I think, was that this one? Yep. Okay, and you'll see now within the event that I've just created, if I click on it, it gives you that you've got a Zoom meeting and you click start meeting and it will automatically take you to Zoom. It will start the meeting. It will log, you might need to log in, but it will start the meeting. It's all there. It's all done. When this invitation, if you're inviting people into the meeting, it's going to send them the link to which they can just click on from their calendar event and go straight to Zoom. They don't have to worry about getting a separate email. They don't have to worry about any of those things. It's all done. Now, if I want to change that to, for example, here, so this is the other thing is once you've gone into the event, sorry, I keep jumping around, don't I? Oops, no. Okay, so let's just do that. Sorry. Open Zoom Workplace app. We can say, or we can just say launch meeting and it will automatically take us in and open the meeting for us. Okay, I'm going to log that out. I can delete Zoom. Let's say I don't want to use Zoom anymore. I can delete Zoom and I can say add another conference. Maybe I can't. Let's save the changes because it's already got Zoom in there. Let's go and edit the meeting again. Let's see if it'll let me do it. Yes, it will. Okay. Once you've saved it, you've deleted Zoom and you want to use something else. I can choose Zoho or I can use Google Meet. Say, click save. And if I open that up now, you'll see it's got a Google Meet and it will start the meeting in Google Meet for me. It'll open my Google Meet link. It'll ask me if I want to open my Google Meet client, all of those things. That is one reason I really, really like this system is that it has have this integration in it. Let me come back and talk to the screen. Sorry, that's one of the reasons I really, really, really like Zoho Mail and Calendar is it's got these integrations pretty much natively in them. If you're trying to do this in Google or something, you've normally got to go and add the add-on, get the permissions, do all of those things. Here, it really is a matter of enable the integration. Different people can have different integrations if they want. So someone might want to use Zoho Meet. Someone might want to use their Zoho Meeting, Google Meet. Someone might want to use their Outlook Teams. It just, you've got that flexibility for your people and you can let your people have that level of flexibility. So that's one of the things that I really wanted to show you with Zoho Calendar and how you can use it. Again, these are all little productivity tools. You don't have to go and open a separate screen, create the meeting, copy the link, copy the invite into the description. It's all there. When those invites go out, they come out, they've got all those details in the invite, in the invite for the calendar meeting, goes into the calendar. Someone can click on the calendar and go, oh, that's where we're meeting. Click on it, off they go. They're good to go. Okay, guys, what do you think? Questions, comments, feedback, whatever it is, leave them in the comments wherever you are watching or listening to this video. You can also come and join my community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. It's a community designed for business owners to get a handle on their tech, to be able to ask questions about this sort of stuff in a safe, non-judgmental environment. Somewhere where you can come and say, look, it doesn't make sense, or, hey, have you seen this? How would I do this? And get some feedback from me specifically and from others who have had their own experiences there. I encourage everyone to come along and participate and contribute to the community. That's what makes it a community. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlyleetham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together. Was this video useful? If so, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to find out when I drop more content. And guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.